Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 6. So we'll do in the continuation of the exercise 4.5. We have already done few questions. You can check the previous video. The product of two numbers is 3 by 2. If one of the numbers is minus 9 by 20, you have to find the other. So here they said the product. So we'll consider the other number as x. Product means multiplication. So x into the one number is given as minus 9 by 20 and this is 3 by 2 means is equal to 3 by 2. So this x will keep on the left hand side. This is already on the right hand side. If we take this on the other side, so this is going to be either you can write here because this is multiplication, you can divide it, or you can directly, see, I'll show you both ways. Now this is 3 by 2 is already here. This is multiplication means the other sides get divided. So that is going to be divided by 9 by 20. So this is going to be the same as this will get flip over because the sign is changing multiplication. So this is going to be minus 20 by 9. So you can include this one step or you can write directly. That is understood that when it changes the sign that will get flip over. So the x will be here 2 ones are 2 tens are then 3 times this will be minus 10 by 3. So now this is improper fraction, so you'll make it to mixed fraction. So the other number is minus 3 integer 1 by 3. Now the product of two numbers is minus 65 by 14. If one of the number is 13 by 21, you have to find the other. So this is the same, only the numbers are different. So you can look at these steps and you can solve this problem. If the cost of 7.5 kg apples is rupees 600, you have to find the cost of 1 kg apple. So what will you do? Cost of 7.5 kg apples, that is given as 600. So cost of one apple means you are going to cross multiply. We don't know what is it. So 1 into 600 means 600, and this will be divided by 7.5. That will be now 600 divided by, because this is mixed, let us make it to improper one. That is going to be 14 plus 1, 15 by 2. So now this will be same, this will be multiplied, so this will get flip over, so that will be 2 by 15. So 15 ones are 15, this 40, 42s are 80. So that is cost of 1 kg apple, that will be 80 rupees. A bus is moving at an average speed of 50 integers, that is 2 by 5 km per hour. How much distance would you cover in 2.5 hours? So average speed of bus, that is given as 52 by 5. So that will be 250 plus 2, that will be 252 by 5 kilometer per hour, and time is given as 2.5 hours, that will be 5 by 2 hours. So the formula for the speed, we have to find out the how much distance we have to find out. But here we can just see this one with this formula. We can see that is speed is equal to distance by time. So why did I choose this speed and not the distance first? So this is easy to remember. D divided by T. So we can remember that detergent. You can make it to any word. So it starts with D and ends with T. So or we can write here, if you want to find out the distance, if you want to use this formula, so distance will be speed into time. See here, when you multiply this, this goes there. So that is going to be speed into time. So you can also use this formula. So now here the speed is already given, that is 252 by 5. We don't know the distance and the time is 5 by 2. So what will you do? You are going to multiply this and this will go this side. So that will be multiplied by 5 by 2. That is going to be distance. So here will be 5 times 1. This will be 126. So distance is 126 and that is in kilometer. The cost of 5.5 meter of cloth is 671 rupees. You have to find the cost of cloth per meter. So cost of 5.5 meter cloth, that is given as, you have to write this statement, rupees 671. So cost of per means cost of 1 meter cloth, that is going to be, you will cross multiply, we don't know what is it. So that will be 61 divided by 5 integers 1 by 2. So this will be 61 divided by this one will be 1 by 2. So this is the numerator and this is the denominator. So 671, the numerator stays as it is. but then this will get flip over, so that will be 2 by 11. So this will be 61, 61 2s are 122. Or this step you can also write like this, divided by 11 by 2. So, and you know how to do this one, you have to multiply. So this is going to get flip over, that will be 2 by 11. You can also write in this form. Divide the sum of 2 by 5 and 3 by 4 by the difference. So first what will you do, we'll take the sum of this one separately. So 2 by 5 plus sum means you are going to add it. So you can see the denominators are different. So you have multiply by 4. So this also by 4. Here will be 5. This also will be 5. So this is going to be 8 plus 15 by 20, which is going to be 23 by 20. And now we'll find out the difference of these two numbers. So 2 by 5 minus 3 by 4. So again here we are going to multiply by 4. This multiply by 5. So this will be 8 minus 15 by 20. So minus 15 plus 8, that is going to be minus 7 by 20. So now we'll go to the main question, what they said, divide. So we already got the sum and we already got the difference. So divide the sum of this one. So this was the sum. You are going to divide with the difference. Difference is minus 7 by 20. So this will be as it is. This will be multiplication. So this will get flip over. That will be minus 20 by 7. So this will be by 1. So 23 by 7. So this, since this is improper one, you will make it to mixed fraction. That will be 23. When you divide it by 7, you get 3 integers 2 by 7. And don't forget this sign. That will be minus. Now here the cost of 2.5 dozen handkerchief is rupees 120, and you have to find the cost of one handkerchief. So now this is, you have to find a 1 and 2.5 dozen. So first thing you should know, 1 dozen is 12. So 2.5 dozen means, 2 dozen means it is going to be 2 multiplied by 12, and half dozen. Half dozen means 6. So what will you do? 2 multiplied by 12. You can also put a bracket if you want here, plus 6. So that is going to be, here will be 24 plus 6, that will be 30. So cost of this 30 is 120. So we can write a cost of 30 handkerchief is rupees 120. So we want the cost of one handkerchief. So again here this you are going to cross multiply. So that will be 120 divided by 30. So this is going to be rupees 4. How many pieces each of length 6 integer 1 by 4 meter can be cut from a rope of length 67 1 by 2 meters? So length of rope is given as 67 1 by 2 meter. So this is going to be 174 plus 1, 175 by 2 meter. So one piece is given as 6 integer 1 by 4 meter. So which is 25 by 4 meter. So what will you do? We want the number of pieces. So here will be 175 by 2 divided by 25 by 4. So now this will be as it is. This will be multiplication. This will get flip over. So that will be 4 by 25. So this will be 2. And this 25 ones are 25 sevens are. So 7 twos are 14. So we can say therefore 14 pieces can be cut. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.